Draglinks, what are they and how do they affect your four-wheel drive? Why do you need a heavy-duty upgrade? The Draglink is the steering arm at the foremost of your vehicle that connects your steering box down to the passenger side hub of your vehicle. So when you're steering that steering wheel left to right, this is dragging your wheels left to right, hence the name Draglink. Your Draglink, being the forward-most control arm of the vehicle, obviously puts it into the strike zone of things like rocks, stumps, or even skippy out on those outback roads. And that is why you want to look at a heavy-duty upgrade if you plan on heading off-road or outback. All of our Draglinks come with the best aftermarket rod ends available, or like our patented Draglink here for the 79 series cruiser, where we eliminate the factory failure points where we see in the factory style of rod end. As well, all of our Draglinks come with a dampener bracket, whether it's our billet alloy like you see here with the alloy Draglink, or a folded and welded steel option to suit your factory dampener, so the ultimate bolt-in replacement. Superior Engineering offer Draglinks in a range of different materials, ranging from our hollow bar Mechavelle steel, our billet 7075 T6 aluminium like this one here, or even our 4340M comp spec Draglinks that come with a lifetime warranty against bending. All of our Draglinks are 100% Australian made at our North Brisbane facility, where we use the latest technology in CNC machines to make sure we've got the perfect finish on our threads every time. If you're looking for the ultimate Draglink for your solid axle vehicle, jump over to superiorengineering.com.au, use our Rego search feature and check out what we've got for your model.